Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Royce, and today we're looking at AirFly by 12 South. It allows you to connect your AirPods to any wired headphone jack. So for example, say you want to watch a movie on a plane's in-flight system wirelessly with your AirPods, this allows you to do that. So before I show you how it works, let's break some things down real quick. First off, AirFly costs $39.99, so yeah, not cheap. But the battery lasts up to 8 hours. It's rechargeable via micro USB cable, and though it's marketed specifically towards AirPod owners, AirFly will work with other Bluetooth headphones as well. So now let's see how AirFly actually works from a flight I was on recently. First, I forgot to bring the small white cable it came with, so I had to use this one that I thankfully had in my bag. But once you have your cables in order, it's just a matter of plugging in one side into the device's headphone jack and the other into AirFly. Then press and hold to turn it on and start the pairing process. You'll see it start blinking. And on your AirPods, just press and hold the button on the back for a few seconds to put it into pairing mode. From there, just wait until the AirPods and AirFly sync up with each other. You know when it's done when the AirPod lights turn green and AirFly stops blinking. And yeah, I know my AirPods are dirty, don't judge me. And from here, you're good to go to watch or listen to whatever you want with your AirPods while flying, which is just fantastic. And yes, my fellow Joy-Con addicts, that means you can also use AirFly to listen to your Nintendo Switch with your AirPods, making it even easier to wirelessly listen to yourself get wrecked in Fortnite. Hooray! You can purchase AirFly by going to 12south.com, or you can go to Amazon. They're also being sold at Best Buy Expresses in the airport, which is nice. So is AirFly worth it? Well, if it didn't cost $40, I'd say absolutely. But because it does, I would say only if you're someone who travels a lot and would actually utilize it on a consistent basis or whatever the use case may be. Now I know there are a bunch of other cheaper alternatives online and I've only tried a couple, but I will say AirFly was the most seamless experience so far for me. So from that end, I would say AirFly is definitely worth it because even though you're spending more money, you know that it's actually going to work the way it's supposed to. And that's my review on AirFly by 12 South. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you have any other questions. Again, my name is Royce. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch y'all later.